comfortably lead. Rattlewar second by a head and Secretary Rat sailed by a half. What an amazing race, ladies and gentlemen. Out of the turn is Mighty Morris with Rattlewar charging up from the top. In the second turn, Mighty Morris and Rattlewar fighting out while Squad Car trails the match. Now it's Rattlewar by an old Secretary Rat and second by a head with Mighty Morris back in third. But wait, Squad Car black and white is making his move in the rear. He tries to the right. He tries to the left, but it's no good, folks. It's flat. He ran out there and they're just not going to let it through. But what's this? Squad Car coming up to the middle. Oh, he's caught in the pinch. Oh my gosh. But now he's climbing out. And he... Squad Car, geez, we're bringing up the rear end. Oh my gosh, look out. Squad Car way up, got to the back stretch. Second, fifth, fourth, third. I don't believe it. Into the outside. Squad Car takes the lead. So it's Squad Car by Rattlewar second by a head. Cheese was moving in third. But wait a minute. He's stuck. Squad Car stuck in the outside. What a nightmare. Wait a minute. It's Squad Car by a head. Oh my gosh, look out. What's this? It's Squad Car springing to the finish. What an incredible race, ladies and gentlemen. Squad Car, the black and white. That makes it short of long shot. Takes the roses in the upset of the week. Who would have known? Who would have guessed? But don't go away, folks. We've got plenty more action coming up in our next heat.
Well, if you ask me, I think the house is rigged.
That does it for me. I'm busted.
And I mean to tell you, this is going to be one to tell your friends.
I win. There you go. Bad meat. What's the odds on Terrible Tom?
Terrible.
Oh. Well then, give me Large Mike to win.
Large Mike to win.
No markers, tailpipe. Come back when you got some food.
It's...
Hi, guys. What do you know? What do you say?
Yeah, what do you say? What do you know?
Itchy, did we detect a look of surprise here?
Hey, Puss! Maybe we should go out and come back in again.
Charlie? Ain't you supposed to be on death row?
No, I ain't supposed to be on death row.
Hey, I got him out.
Things have changed, Charlie, since you've been gone. Life hasn't been no piece of cake.
Puppies ain't been treating us too good.
Things are tough, but we carry on.
And just spare a couple of bones for old time's sake.
Why settle for a couple of bones when you can have the whole break?
Charlie, look, you hit the jackpot. Attaboy, Charlie, I'm proud of you. Charlie, tell him.
Oh, you can't keep a good dog down.
No, sir.
No, you can't keep a good dog down. I've seen pain and hurt.
That's right.
I've eaten dirt.
That's true.
It's hard to buy, but even I've been jilted by a skirt.
He lied.
Look, pal, I'm still around. 'Cause you can't keep a good dog down.
You can't keep a good dog down.
No, you can't.
No. You can't keep a good dog down.
I've been bought and sold.
He's been warm and cold.
But 10 to 1, I'll still be running rackets when I'm old.
Not in some cage in the city pound. 'Cause you can't keep a good dog. Can't keep a good... I say you can't keep a good dog down. In him, the luck of the Irish.
The pride of the Germans.
Even a bit of Siam.
Siam? You see the gum of the English.
The charm of the Spanish.
A pedigree certainly ain't what I am. So call me a mixed up pup.
You're a mixed up pup.
But the only way this pup knows is up.
Okay, boys, come on. Come on. Get your head, man. Up. Come on. You can't keep a good dog down. You can't keep a good dog down. Boys, that and thin.
I'm out and in.
He tried a life of virtue,
But prefer a life of sin. So tonight,
and we own this town.
I've no hunger, I've no thirst. Lived the best and seen the worst. But the only way I know to finish is to finish first.
So watch out when you hear this sound. 'Cause you can't keep a good dog. No, you can't keep a good dog. Say you can't keep a good